In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a calendar icon in Figma in just a few easy steps. This is a super quick workflow if you want to add clean, professional-looking icons to your UI design without drawing everything from scratch. Whether you're building a dashboard, an app mockup, or a website layout, using the right icon can save you time and keep your design consistent. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file and go to the bottom toolbar. At the bottom of the screen, click the Actions icon. This is where Figma gives you access to different tools, plugins, and widgets that can speed up your workflow. Once the menu opens, click Plugins and Widgets. This will take you to Figma's plugin area, where you can search for tools that help you add icons, components, and extra design features. In the search bar, type Iconify and run the plugin. Iconify is one of the most useful icon libraries in Figma because it gives you access to thousands of icons in different styles, all inside your design file. After the plugin opens, use the search bar inside Iconify and type calendar. Then press enter to search. You'll see a list of calendar icon options appear on the screen. Take a moment to look through the results and choose the style that best matches your design. Once you find the icon you want, simply drag and drop it into your canvas. You can place it exactly where you need it, resize it, and adjust the color if needed to fit your design system. And that's it. You've just created a calendar icon in Figma using Iconify. This method is fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for making your designs look more polished in seconds. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.